Is your HP laptop's input feeling a bit tired? This TMP3444004 replacement part for the 1040 G5 and G6 might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It's not just a simple replacement, it's a complete overhaul of your primary interaction points with your machine. Imagine a touchpad that's more responsive, a mouse function that feels precise, and a keypad that makes typing a dream. That's the promise here, and for the most part it delivers. The inclusion of the cable, part number 920035950-1, is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you have everything necessary for a smooth installation. When you first get your hands on this, the build quality feels solid, a definite step up from what might have come standard. The touchpad surface is smooth and offers excellent tracking, making those fine cursor movements feel effortless. Scrolling is also a joy, with no lag or jumpiness. For anyone who spends hours a day working on their laptop, this kind of precision can make a significant difference in productivity and even reduce frustration. The integrated mouse buttons are tactile and provide satisfying clicks, giving you that immediate feedback you want. And the keypad. It's surprisingly comfortable. The key travel feels just right, offering a good balance between a soft touch and a firm response. Typing long documents, or even just sending quick emails, feels more natural and less prone to errors. It's the kind of component that you don't really notice when it's working perfectly, but you definitely miss it when it's not. This TMP3444004 unit seems to hit that sweet spot of seamless integration and enhanced performance. It's a small change that has a big impact on the overall user experience. Overall, if you're looking to breathe new life into your HP 1040 G5 or G6, this touchpad, mouse, and keypad assembly is a fantastic option. It's a genuine upgrade that enhances usability and makes your daily computing tasks more enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.